Go. Hello everyone, hello kids, and assalamu alaikum to all of you.
Assalamualaikum. Waalaikum assalam.
Walaikum assalam. Yeah,
Assalamualaikum. How are you?
I'm doing great, alhamdulillah. What about you guys? How are you feeling?
Alhamdulillah. Yes. I'm
Alhamdulillah.
fine.
Okay, are you all tired or feeling like an energetic one?
Energetic.
Huh?
Tired.
Did you
Tired.
all take nap?
Yes,
সবাই
miss.
No.
nap নিয়েছো?
No,
No?
miss.
No.
Yes,
Miss.
miss.
No, miss.
Even I also took nap. It was a very long nap. I took
How many
3 hours.
hours?
I slept for 3 hours. Okay.
You're sleeping like a kid. Kiddos.
Yeah, I was pretty much tired. That's why maybe. Okay, so let's start with today's class and welcome to Liakat's Kids English School. And this is class for 3 to 4, batch number 5. And I'm your Ima Miss. So let's get started for today's session. But before that, obviously, we are going to catch up our previous things also because we had homework, right? Like I have given you some guided questions for preparing yourself for the conversation today, and it will
Yes,
be a pair conversation. So are you guys all ready for it?
Yes, miss.
miss.
Yes, miss.
Mm-hmm.
I will sing a song today because I took my mom's mobile and I need to
Okay.
sing
So
a song.
this was our
Yeah.
guided questions based on the holiday. So like this question, so you need to ask each other this questions and the other person might answer it. Let me check. Fiha was
Your
absent in the
sound is
previous
low.
class. Okay, Fiha was absent in the previous class and no one was absent.
Miss
Okay.
me.
Muntaha, wait a second. Yes, Muntaha was also absent. Okay, but I uploaded the file. Didn't you get it? I uploaded the file.
Okay.
Okay, but Fiha and Muntaha, you can take a screenshot of this and prepare yourself, and the rest of the others will talk each other by without looking to it. So let's start. Let's see how our conversations can be. Acha, before that, let me tell you, Bacha,
The
that
fair, Miss Pear.
হ্যাঁ পেয়ার করব তার আগে একটা কথা বলে রাখি ইউ নিড টু টক ইন আ ন্যাচারাল ওয়ে ঠিক আছে মানে একদম যে তোমরা দেখার সাথে সাথেই তোমরা কি ফ্রেন্ডস এর সাথে দেখার সাথে সাথে কি তোমরা একদম জিজ্ঞেস করে ফেলো এই তোমার তুমি কোথায় ঈদ কাটিয়েছিলা এরকম কিছু বলো নাকি কোলাকুলি করে এখানে তো হাই বলো
Assalamualaikum.
হ্যাঁ আসসালাম হাই বলো কেমন আছো বলো হুম তাই না এখন কখন
Yes.
আসছো স্কুলে তুমি আজকে স্কুলে কখন আসছো আমি তো
Yes,
এতটা এসেছি আমি এই বেঞ্চে বসেছি আজকে তো তোমার সাথে বসতে পারলাম না সো প্রথম দিকে কিছু ন্যাচারাল কনভারসেশনস করে দেন আস্ক ইচ আদার দিস ঠিক আছে আর একজনই শুধু কোয়েশ্চেন্স করে যাবে এরকম কিছু না ধরো আভান একটা কোয়েশ্চেন করছে তারপর নেক্সট কোয়েশ্চেন যদি জেনিফার সাথে ওর পেয়ার হয় তাহলে জেনিফাও আস্ক করতে পারবে কারণ কি আমরা বন্ধুরা যখন প্রশ্ন করে তখন কি একজনই প্রশ্ন করে যায় নাকি আরেকজনও প্রশ্ন করে তাই না ওর কথার মাঝে মাঝে আমরাও প্রশ্ন করি সো ইউ হ্যাভ টু টক ইট লাইক দ্যাট সবাইকে বুঝতে পেরেছি জিনিসটা হ্যাভ ইউ গট ওকে
yes, Miss.
Yes, miss.
সো হু ওয়ান্টস টু স্টার্ট ফার্স্ট হু ওয়ান্টস টু গো ওকে জানিফা
Me.
ইজ রেডি
Me.
okay
Love you.
Sifatullah Labib okay very nice so Zanifa and Labib will be the pair. Then Hafsa and Bushra will be the pair. Okay. Then Aliza and Avan, Tahmid and Iche. Or Tahmid or Muntaha. Iche and Fiha. Okay? Acha. So let's start. Zanifa and Labib. Go on. Bismillah.
Hello, Mami.
Hi,
What's
Jenny.
up? Hi, what's up?
Labib, তুমি কি শুনতে পাচ্ছ না? Can't you hear her?
Maybe he has some network problems.
বারবার ডিসকানেক্ট হয়ে যায়, আবার কানেক্ট
লাবিব,
করতে হয়।
ও খুঁজতেছে ও কার সাথে কথা বলছে, right? It's Fatiha, Fatiha. Labib, it's Fatiha.
Actually my name is Fatiha.
Did you
মিস, আমার নেটওয়ার্কে একটু প্রবলেম হয়েছিল।
এখন ঠিক আছে? Is it okay now? Okay,
Yes.
go on. Zanifa, go on.
Hi, Jennifer. How are you?
Hello, Labib. I'm great. How about you?
I'm fine. Where did you spend your holiday?
I spent my holiday in my maternal grandmother's home.
Wow, grateful. How did you go there?
I go there by CNG. How much Idiyar salami do you got?
I got 3,000 of each salami.
Oh, that's very good. I got 2,500 taka on Eid ul Fitr and 2,000.
You are muted.
What color is the animal?
I will sacrifice two animals, a goat and a cow. So the cow's color is black and the goat's color is mix of black and white.
Okay, wait a
Wow,
second. Why are you talking in present tense?
Sorry.
গরুর রং কি ছিল না? The cow's color was. Then
The
what
cow's
was the
color
color
was
of the color? What was the color of color? Or what was the cow's color? Labib, you and Jennifer is talking in present tense using is. Both of
see,
you.
he asking me with the present tense, so I answered her in present tense.
But you should correct her, right? You should correct him that he is making mistake.
I didn't notice that.
Okay, it's fine.
The cow's color was black and the goat's color was mixed and white. Black
what
and
do
white.
you do on Eid?
Where does the answer? I spent. Oh, sorry.
It's okay, just answer by yourself. Yeah.
But I just wrote it. But where the wrote?
It's okay. You can tell it by your own.
I spent my holiday by playing games, visiting some place, and a little of study.
Fatiha, can you tell me any funny, scary, sad, or excited story?
Yes, I can tell. Wait a minute. Does it go? The funny incident is I woke up at 5 o'clock and I press Allah and I just fell asleep and I just fell asleep and fell asleep for 2 hours in the morning.
Okay, thank you so much. Everyone clap for that. That was good. Okay,
How
Habib, thank you. Thank you. Wait a second. Thank you, both of you. Thank you so much. It was very good. Thank you. Now let's go with the second pair who is who was it? Bushra? Who was the second pair? Bushra and Hafsa. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Bushra, are you ready, Bacha? Okay, let's go.
How are you, Bushra?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm fine too. Can I ask you some questions?
Of course.
Where did you spend your holiday?
Uh, in my home.
In my home. Wow, that's very great. How did you go there?
Yeah. At his home? At her home? She stayed there. Where? How will she go there? ও তোর বাসায় ছিল. She stayed at home.
She stayed at home. Oh, how much Eid salami you got, Bushra?
I didn't got it salami. And you?
Why? I've got 4,600.
I got two. 4,600.
Okay.
750. I got.
Hmm.
That's
Only
good.
two, only 250 taka. I'm so poor
No
people.
talk now. Let them have
Assalamualaikum, Miss.
conversation. Hmm.
Poor boy. Assalamualaikum, Miss.
Walaikum assalam. Okay. Go on, Bushra. Come on.
How did you spend your holiday?
I spend my holiday by waking up late,
Me.
then taking a bath, eating some snacks, have fun. How did you spend your holiday, Bushra?
In my home. And
I can't hear you.
Assalamualaikum, Miss.
in my home.
Go on.
In my home.
She said at my home.
Oh, with whom did you spend?
Um,
It's
in
okay.
this
It's
in this
okay.
home.
No,
In this
baby. She said that with whom did you spend? With whom মানে কার সাথে সেটা
Spend.
spend করেছো? কাদের সাথে ছিলা? Hmm.
with my family.
Yes, with your family. Okay, Bushra, do you have any questions for Afsa?
Um, how was what animal was your what animal
Did you
uh,
sacrifice?
did you sacrifice?
Mm-hmm.
I I did sacrifice a cow. It's looked like a black and white mixture.
It's an Australian cow?
Tell me any
Was it
funny,
an
scary, or
Australian
sad
cow,
incident.
Hafsa?
Yes, miss?
Was it an Australian cow? Black and white means
No,
Australian
no,
ones.
no.
Okay.
It's kind of look like brown, but not too much brown, like light color,
Okay.
light
Yes,
brownish.
Bushra, what was your question? Come on.
I can't hear Bushra.
Um, wait,
What did she say?
She didn't say anything. She is trying to say.
what did you do
Oh,
in your
It's okay. Just say describe a funny moment. Bushra, you don't get to panic. ঠিক আছে প্যানিক হওয়ার কিছু নেই বেবি না পারলেই যে মিস আছি হেল্প করে দেব ওকে সো ডিসক্রাইব আ হ্যাপি মোমেন্ট অর স্যাড মোমেন্ট বলো Bushra, say Hafsa, describe your sad or any happy moment during Eid vacation. Say it.
Hafsa? Is there a happy or a sad moment in your holiday?
I didn't have any happy or sad, but I have a scary one. Like I was taking a bath in the washroom and someone just knocked, like there was no one on my house and someone just started knocking on my door. I was get very scared, like who is there? I'm very scared because they just went out a little time ago and I was really scared. I thought some thief or a kidnapper has come, like I was very scared. And I just put my clothes very quick, and then it came out, and then I saw my parents, and
We're
it was a
knocking the
very
door.
relief because
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you, Bushra and Hafsa. Thank you. Now let's go with the next pair. Who is that one?
Aliza and Avan,
Aliza and
Avan.
Avan. Okay, Aliza and Avan. Let's go with of both of you. Aliza, she is stuck.
Hello, Aliza. How are you?
Aliza is stuck. Aliza is having network problem. Okay, Avan
Miss,
and
আমি
Muntasir, you go with each other. Muntasir?
Yes, miss.
Okay, Avan is your partner. Go on.
Hello, Muntasir. How are you?
I'm fine, and how are you?
I'm also fine. Thank you for asking. Where did you spend your...
Why did
Okay,
One by
say it, say
one.
it.
where did you spend your holiday?
I spent my holiday in Dhaka. And where did you spend
How did you go there?
I go there by car. And why do
I
you
go
spend...
there, Naki. I went there.
I
Which
went
one?
there by car. Sorry, miss. And where did you spend your holiday, Muntasir?
I spend my holidays my home.
At my home.
How much is salami do you get?
Did you get?
I got 5,000 taka. And you? How much
I
do
spent
you get?
1,000 taka. How was your vacation?
My vacation was very beautiful.
How did you spend your holiday?
I spent my holiday by reading, playing, sleeping, etc. And how did you spend your holiday?
I spent my I spent my holiday.
Doing what? What did you do? কি করেছো?
I can't hear you.
Muntasir, just say, what did you do? Did you play?
I cut our cow and worked too hard.
I sacrificed the cow.
With whom did you
Yes, miss.
spend?
You sacrificed the cow. Okay, thank you for both of you. Thank you so much. Let's go with the next pair. Okay,
Miss,
wait a
Miss,
second.
I
Wait
have
a
a question.
Okay, wait a second. Yes,
Miss, I have
Mina?
a Miss. Who is my partner?
Yes, I will tell you. Acha, let's take a break for some time. Conversation? Whose conversation was left?
মিস আজকে ক্লাসে মনে কনভারসেশন করার জন্য কোনো পড়াই হবে না।
আহা, ওকে। না আমরা তো পড়েছি, আমরা লিসেনিং করলাম না? এটাও তো পড়া।
মিস একটা ভিডিও দেখলে কি অনেক কিছু পড়া হয়?
স্যার, মিস আমি বলেছিলাম একটা গান গাইবো।
আক্তারা খাতুন হচ্ছে আমাদের ফাতেহা।
It's my mother's name.
It's your mother's name.
Miss,
Oh,
I'm right.
it is network is giving problem. Okay, so before that, let's do one thing. Let's take a short roaming on what we can do. Acha, let's do one thing. Let's do the rest of them in the next class. Okay? ঠিক আছে? কারণ আজকে একটু আমরা অন্য কিছু করি। Okay? First of all, let's select a presentation topic for your next day. And that will be with Lebu. Do you know what is it? What is the English word for Lebu?
Lemon.
Lemon. Okay, so we will do a thing that we will learn some sentences regarding lemon. Okay? Got it?
Yeah, miss.
Okay, first of all, do you have lemon at your home?
Yes.
Yes, miss.
Yes,
Yes,
miss.
Everyone have it?
Yes, miss.
Okay. So make sure in the next class, you are having the lemon on your hand, showing it and doing it as a presentation. Okay? Doing presentation with the lemon. Okay?
Okay, miss. Okay, miss.
Acha. But let us know that what we can write about lemon. So, do you have any sort of in your mind that what we can do with the lemon?
Miss, lemon is a very salty
Salty?
fruit.
Lemon is a sour.
Tight.
Miss, can I
Tight.
leave? My teacher has come.
Okay. Acha.
Miss,
So
lemon
first of all, let's know that is lemon a vegetable or a fruit?
fruit.
Okay, lemon is a fruit. So our presentation topic is on
Lemon.
lemon. Presentation topic lemon. Okay, now let's first line. Let us know that what type of fruit is the lemon one? Okay.
Lemon is the very tart fruit.
Sour fruit.
Thirty.
Sour fruit. Sorry.
The very
Okay,
sour
let's
fruit.
first write
Very
lemon
sour
is a citrus fruit. Lemon is a citrus fruit, which is little bit of acidic ones. ঠিক আছে?
Miss, what is the meaning of citrus?
Green. Its color is yellow and sometimes green.
Green.
Yes.
Green. Its color is green. And some lemons colors are yellow.
Yeah, so we can say some of them are the mixture of lemon, the green and yellow, right?
Yes.
So we can write that its color
Its color is mix of green and
mixture of
green and
yellow.
yes mixture of money. Yes, wait a second, Muntasir.
Miss.
Yes,
Its taste is
sour baby, sour na baby, sour bole or tart flavor. Basically tart flavor ta bhalo jay.
Miss,
Yes,
What is citrus fruit? What is the meaning of citrus fruit?
সাইট্রাস ফ্রুট মানে হচ্ছে এটা হচ্ছে কিছুটা অ্যাসিডিক টাইপের, মানে অম্ল বা একটু টক টক জাতীয়, হ্যাঁ, ভিটামিন সি যুক্ত এরকম আর কি।
Miss, what
Yes.
vitamin carry lemon?
Huh?
What vitamin carries lemon?
Lemon
Carry-
carries vitamin C.
Lemon
Vitamin C.
carries vitamin C. It's a line.
Okay, first of all, let's go with the texture, I mean the outside look of it. Its color is a mixture of green and yellow. And what is the shape of the lemon?
The shape of the lemon
Oval.
is
Oval,
Like,
very good.
oval.
Sometimes it is round also, right?
round.
That means
So we
Round.
can say that it can be,
It
can be
can
মানে
be
হতে
round.
পারে, ঠিক আছে, can be means হতে পারে। It
can
can
be
be round or
round and oval.
oval shape.
Oval.
Miss, what is the meaning of oval?
Oval মানে ডিম্বাকার আকৃতি, মানে হচ্ছে এরকম টাইপের, like if I go like this,
Yes, Miss, I know.
okay, then we can say that it can be round or oval shape. Then how does it look outside? I mean, what is outside? তুমি যদি লেমনটাকে টাচ করো, okay, bring a lemon, bring a lemon, bring a lemon. Everyone go and bring lemon. Fateha, don't bite your nails. This is bad habit.
Miss, we don't have lemons in our house right now.
Okay. Okay, it's fine. Acha, Montaha, touch the outside of the fruit. How does it feel? How does it feel?
Miss, bujini.
Baby Montaha, touch the outside of the fruit and how does it feel? কেমন মনে হচ্ছে? নরম, শক্ত? How does it feel?
Miss, শক্ত. Hard.
It's squishy.
Squishy?
Miss, hard. Miss, hard.
Squishy?
It's squishy.
Why
Miss hard.
squishy? Why squishy?
Miss, it's very hard.
It's in. A bit
It's
hard.
hard.
It's hard, but a little squishy.
Okay, can you share everyone that what does it mean by squishy?
Miss, I don't know.
Soft. Squishy by itself, like.
It's মানে হচ্ছে তুমি যখন একটু চাপ দিবে এটা দেবে যাবে, ঠিক আছে?
Yes.
It's squishy ones. But
Yes.
but not always. You need to press very hard. Squishy হতে হলে তো তোমাকে অনেক মানে অল্পতে প্রেস করলেই তো দেবে যাবে, বাট লেবুকে তো কিন্তু অল্প তুমি যদি চাপ দাও এটা কি ভিতরে ঢুকে যাবে? No, right? It's hard.
It's very hard.
Yes.
Miss,
So we
lemon
আচ্ছা,
is a
আর এই
very
বাইরের অংশটাকে কি বলা হয়? যে এটাকে কি বলা হয়? চামড়াটা skin. Yes. Its skin is hard. তাহলে কি বলতে পারি? Its skin
is hard.
It's hard. Its skin is very
hard outside.
Outside.
And how does it feel on inside? How does it feel inside? What is it inside?
It's squishy.
Rosalo? Juicy?
Yeah, juicy.
Yes, it's juicy.
Soft? Soft?
Juicy. Yes,
Juicy.
And juicy inside. Its skin is hard outside and juicy inside. And what can we talk about the flavor of it? What is the taste of it? So it has tart or sour flavor.
Sour flavor.
ওকে, তার মানে এটা কি যে একটু মানে একটু দেখবা যে তোমার ঝাঁজ টাইপের ফ্লেভারও আসে, তাই না?
Yes, miss. সবসময়
সো
টক।
টক একদম ইয়ে টাইপের। ওকে, টার্ড অর সাওয়ার ফ্লেভার। আচ্ছা, এবার বলো তো এটা কোথায় জন্মে? ডু ইউ নো হাউ ডাজ দ্য প্ল্যান্ট লুক লাইক?
No, miss.
You didn't see a
Grows on
plant?
trees. Miss, বাগানে আছে।
বাগানে আছে? Can you explain how does it look like? যে
মিস এটা কাঁটাযুক্ত। না না মিস এটা কাঁটাযুক্ত একটি গাছ।
very good, কাঁটা যুক্ত। Then
Its plant is মিস মিস এই লেমন গুলোকে অনেক বড় জায়গার মধ্যে লেমন গাছ থাকতে হয়, না হলে ছোট জায়গায় হয় না।
okay, first tell me what about the tree? Is it very big or the small one?
Very
Trees are
very big.
very big. ট্রিজের গাছ কি অনেক ফুট লম্বা হয়?
No, miss. No, medium size. No, miss. It's medium size.
That's small
Medium
size.
size.
Yes. Yes, it's a small size.
ওই গাছটার হলো যে গাছটা বেশি বড় হয় না, মানে গুল্ম প্রজাতির গাছ। ওই গাছে কাঁটাও আছে, যেটা আমার ফুটে গেছিল একবার হাতে।
Okay, so we can say, so we can say the lemon tree is a small thorny tree. তাহলে কি বলতে পারি? থর্নি মানে হচ্ছে কাটা, কাটা কাটা যুক্ত বেবি। থর্ন মানে কাটা, সো কাটা যুক্ত একটা গাছ। সো লেমন ট্রি ইজ a small thorny tree. ওকে,
Yes.
আচ্ছা আমাকে বলতে পারো যে এটা কি ধরনের তোমার জায়গায় হতে পারে?
Miss, miss, on rooftop, on rooftop.
নো বেবি, এটা হচ্ছে তোমার,
Inside of
এটা তোমার না না না, এটা কি ওয়েদারে তোমার হয়ে থাকে? এই যে এটা কিন্তু আমাদের
Miss,
ঠান্ডা।
summer.
শোনো, হ্যাঁ, এটা হচ্ছে আমাদের মতো দেশ, ট্রপিক্যাল আইল্যান্ড বলে, মানে গ্রীষ্মমণ্ডলীয়। ঠিক আছে, মানে হচ্ছে নর্মালি তোমার গরম শীত থাকে। হ্যাঁ, হোয়াট?
মানে কি মরুভূমিতে নাকি অনেক শীত থাকে ওই জায়গায়?
নো বেবি, আমাদের কান্ট্রি কি মরুভূমির মতো?
না
আমাদের
তবে কিছুদিন আগে মরুভূমিতেই হয়েছিল, এখন একটু ঠিক আছে।
এখন একটু ঠিক আছে।
বাংলাদেশে গরম আসলে মরুভূমির মতনই হয়ে যায়।
মরুভূমি, হ্যাঁ সেটা ঠিক বলছো। সো আমাদের এটাকে বলা হয় ট্রপিক্যাল রিজিয়ন। ঠিক আছে, কি বলা হয়? ট্রপিক্যাল অ্যান্ড সাবট্রপিক্যাল, মানে গ্রীষ্মমণ্ডলীয়। ভেরি গুড, you cut it? Why? Why did you cut it? To see how is it? আচ্ছা, তাহলে ঠিক আছে, আমাদের দেশের আবহাওয়াকে কি বলা হয়? ট্রপিক্যাল। কি বলা হয়? ট্রপিক্যাল। Yes. অথবা হ্যাঁ বলো, কি হয়েছে?
Satya has a line, not a lemon.
What?
Satya has a line, not a lemon.
Yes, yeah.
In our country, we don't see lemon that much. All of their meaning is line.
Okay, let's go for the sentences, okay? আমরা দেখো এটা কোথায় জন্মে সেটা লিখে ফেলি, যে it grows well.
Tropical weather.
Yes. And tropical and subtropical regions of the world. তাহলে it grows well, এটা ভালো জন্মে কোথায়? Throughout মানে হচ্ছে তোমার এই যে গ্রীষ্মমণ্ডলীয় বা আমাদের মতো নাতিশীতোষ্ণ অঞ্চলগুলোতে তোমার কি হয়?
মিস,
Yes.
আপনি এগুলো কখন লিখবেন?
এই যে তোমাদের সাথে কথা বলতে বলতে আমি লিখে ফেলেছি। আমি যখন স্ক্রিন শেয়ার করিনি তখন লিখে ফেলেছি। ওকে,
Is it done?
নো বাচ্চা, তোমাদের সাথে আচ্ছা কথা বলে বলেই লিখি। তারপর দেখো তোমরা কি বলেছো জানো? যে এটাতে কি আছে, ভিটামিন সি। তার মানে রিচ ইন মানে সমৃদ্ধ, সমৃদ্ধ মানে ভরপুর বোঝায়। তাহলে এটা কি সোর্স, এটার উৎস কি, ভিটামিন সি। Yes. So it's rich in vitamin C. আচ্ছা, লেমনকে তোমরা কি কি জায়গায় ইউজ করতে পারো বলো তো, কি কি জিনিসে? Yes, very good. Okay, wait a second. So lemons can be used. Can be used মানে ব্যবহৃত হতে পারে। ইংলিশ কি হবে? ব্যবহৃত হতে পারে। ফিশ খেয়েছো কখনো ফিশের সাথে লেবু?
Miss, I never had salad.
You never had salad? Okay, let me give you a tip. Whenever you are having like a vegetable salad with different vegetables, squeeze a lemon on it. It will be very tasty. Squeeze lemon. Like if you have the salad made of tomato, cucumber, cabbage, then beetroot, carrots, along with it, then onions on it, then squeeze a little bit of lemon on it. It's very tasty. Okay, so it can be juices used in cooking, baking. Have you eaten a lemon cake?
মাঝে মাঝে অনেক চিপসের সাথে দিয়েও খাওয়া যায়।
You can also have it, yes. Lemon cake কেউ টেস্ট করেছো? Have you tasted lemon cake?
No, miss. No, miss.
No?
Yes, miss.
No, miss.
No, miss.
No?
miss.
Okay, so lemon cake is also an interesting one. Okay. আচ্ছা, লেমনকে আমরা কি হিসেবে ইউজ করতে পারি বলতে পারো? Okay, let me tell you. I have finished my writing. Okay, lemon is a natural antiseptic medicine. মানে হচ্ছে তোমার এটা হচ্ছে একটা ঔষধেরও কাজ করে লেমন।
এত গরম হয়ে গেছে আর দিয়েন না।
শেষ এটাই শেষ বেবি, লাস্ট। where is it? Where did it go?
Miss, what is it?
Lemon is a natural antiseptic medicine. Lemon can be used to prevent মানে রোধ করা, প্রতিরোধ করা, ঠিক আছে, and cure skin problems. তোমার যদি ফেসে বা হাতে বা কোথাও কোনো হচ্ছে প্রবলেমস থাকে স্কিন রিলেটেড, সো এই লেমনটা তোমাকে অনেক উপকার করবে। ইভেন ইউর স্ক্যাল্প অলসো, তোমার যদি কারো ফ্লেক্স থাকে, হেয়ার ফ্লেক্স মানে খুশকি যদি থাকে ইন ইয়োর হেয়ার, if you use lemon in your hair, it will help you to remove the flax.
Yes, miss.
I have this problem.
You have this problem? Not
Yes,
that.
miss.
I
Adisa,
don't.
what are you doing now? Not like this. You have to squeeze the lemon and put the juice on it.
No, it's
Not,
cool.
it's cool. Okay, so this is our presentation topic, which is lemon. I will put a nice picture on it. So this is all about today.
No, miss, we have.
ওকে
Miss,
ওকে, আচ্ছা আমি কিছু ছবি এখানে দিয়ে দেই, ওয়েট আ সেকেন্ড। লেমনের ছবি দিব
গানটা
না?
বলি,
হ্যাঁ
প্লিজ গানটা বলি, গান।
আচ্ছা দাঁড়াও। ওকে, what song did you like to show
Sing.
tell us? What
Miss,
yeah, we
please
want to
show
sing.
us.
My song's name is I'm Fatia Hafifa. I belong class 2. My school's name is Achai Katuri Public School and College. Today I'm going to tell you a song. My song's name is
Sing you a song.
Chiptures.
Yes,
A
sing
song.
a song.
My song's name is Chiptures. Up with it good, rock with it good, show them it good, bang bang. Up with it good, up with it good. Show them in good, bang bang. Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and you won't be fun. Go to the market, put my makeup on. It's Friday night.
Again, sound giving a problem.
I need
Yes, all class have Fatiha sound problem.
what?
Fatih,
Just thinking she have sound problem.
okay, I have given a nice picture on it.
This is good.
Yes.
Good.
Miss,
I like
two
it.
number lemon is like my lemon.
Okay. Acha. So that's all for today, bacha. I have another class.
Video.
Okay, so let's see you in the next class, inshallah.
Assalamualaikum. Bye, Miss.
Walaikum assalam. Take care, everyone. Bye bye, baby.
Bye, Miss.
Bye bye, bacha.